The French Revolution broke out in which year? 1789, 1890, 1979 or 1879? And the correct answer is 1789. The city of Amritsar was founded by Guru Ram Das, the fourth Sikh Guru in 1577, 1477, 1500 or none of these, and the correct answer is 1577. The sleeping giant of Asia has woken up and no power on earth can stop him now. Who said it? Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru or Lenin? And the correct answer is Lenin. The Rowlett Act was passed in the year February 1990, August 1920, March 1818 or none of these, and the correct answer is February 1990. What was the chief program of Swaraj Party? Council entry, rural reconstruction program, constitutional opposition or none of these, and the correct answer is council entry. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of constitution? J.B. Kripalani, Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar or Rajaram Mohan Roy? And the correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Which year did Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay write Anand? 1882, 1800, 1982 or 1895? And the correct answer is 1882. Who is remembered as pioneer of economic nationalism? R. Siddharth, Bipin Chandra Pal, Madan Mohan Malviya or none of these? And the correct answer is R. Siddharth. The Moplah Rebellion of 1921 broke out in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka or Bengal? And the correct answer is Kerala. The Quit India campaign was launched by National Congress after the failure of the Cripps Mission, Cabinet Mission, option A and B or none of these, and the correct answer is Cripps Mission. Watch our other videos. Support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.